Hey guys, I'm going to draw a seal today. It's like an aquatic dog or aquatic cat almost. A lot of artists' best friends are their dog or their cat. And that's because if you are an artist or you know an artist, you know that we're very, 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 very sensitive creatures. That's why we tend to isolate, keep to ourselves, spend a lot of time by ourselves. We feel things very deeply. Sometimes maybe you just need is this cute seal in your life. Dab, 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 dab. And most things in life are very simple. No, it's not, Dave. I'm in a very serious, the world is crazy right now. It's very layered and nuanced. And no, it's not. No, look at this fucking seal looking at you in their face saying, hey, chill, bro. It's not that serious. Most things in life are not that complicated. They're very, very simple. Whiskers, whiskers. I didn't say they were easy. I just said they were simple. You just need to work very, very hard at it. Usually the solution is very obvious. And the answer is always love. Love one another. But how are you supposed to love one another when you don't even love yourself? Oh, fuck! Stupid! So stupid! Oh. Hey, be kind to yourself. We all make mistakes. We make poor decisions in our life. That's not who we are. That's just an accident. And we're going to fail forward. We're going to get back up. We can't change the past. We can be present right now. And we can do what